Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MSK Trading Academy. Guys, we had seen some good rise today. You can see yesterday's video had mentioned some important levels based on Nifty spot chart. Today let's go and analyze what will happen tomorrow and also see what our trading plan will be on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Right, I have Bank Nifty spot chart here, this 1-day chart. I'll quickly go ahead and draw some lines here. You can just check it out what I'm drawing. See, I'm taking 13 November's low and I am attaching to this low, this of 22nd December low. So this becomes a small trend line for me, and on the upside as well I'll try to see how the prices have resisted. Yes, you can see here prices have resisted very well at this point, right? So we have seen again a fall recently from this point itself, this one I'm talking about. Okay, and other things what I'm trying to draw in this line is will be some support and resistance, just to see where exactly the next support or resistance can be. So okay, for now I feel like this is going to be a good support, though prices have not touched this level. It has bounced around from around that level itself. The other resistance what I have is here, which will turn out as a support when prices start falling downwards. And yes, this will be probably the last support. I'll just zoom the chart. Okay, now let me draw one more line here. Okay, this is going to be one more trend line what I'm trying to draw. Okay, let me explain you what I'm trying to see here. Guys, if you see this high, what recently it has formed, that would be a very important and key level, and we can almost have a zone somewhere there. I'll just show you what zone I'm talking about. You can see this prices have fallen from that level itself, so this is going to be an important level. This is what I'm analyzing on spot chart. I'll show you the trade plan on future chart in some time. Okay, now what I'm expecting here is either prices are going to break this level and hit this resistance level on the upper side, this resistance trend line, or there are good chances prices will start reversing back, and good chances that this trend line can break and prices can start coming down to this level. A very simple analysis, nothing much to complicate. Either it has to break this level and move up, break this zone I'm talking about, or it will start retracing back from this zone, and once this trend line breaks we can see some more fall on the downside. This is all the simple analysis what I have on Bank Nifty. As I've said you before, I always try to keep my analysis very simple. Let's go and check out in Nifty as well. Nifty, you can see it has been holding this channel, right? You can see here what has happened. Prices after hitting this level, it has gone up, come back. In fact, it is almost going in a channel now. Probably the prices are heading up. Before it heads up, there are few important things we got to see. Let me draw an important level here. Recent high, recent swing high, this high I'm talking about, that is 14653.35 will be very important. And next I'm going to take this level, that is 14595. These two things will be very important. The reason, if price breaks this level, we are going to see some new high coming in somewhere near 14800 or 14900 levels. 14800 and 14900 will be very important. Okay, and in case price reverses from here, from the same zone from where recently we had seen a fall, if price reverses from here, this will act also as a trend line, and break below this we can see a fall again up to the recent low that is 14222. This is what I am expecting on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is just a retracement on the upside. Let's see when it goes to recent swing high both in Nifty and Bank Nifty how it's going to react here. Based on this, we will take a decision whether to take a long or short from this level, that is 14595 to 14653 in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty it is somewhere around, let me plot this line as well. Yeah, it's somewhere around 32519 to 32726. this zone has to be observed very well. All those who are taking trades based on positional basis or swing trades, you can check out these levels. This will help you a lot. Now let's go ahead and see what our Nifty and Bank Nifty plans are for tomorrow's trading. Guys, before I move to that and show you what our plans are, I have updated all these zones and important support and resistance lines both in Nifty and Bank Nifty future contract, that is for January contract. You can just use the same levels on your system also, and you can check out how Nifty and Bank Nifty probably can behave tomorrow. Well, let's see what our plan will be for tomorrow. So in Bank Nifty, we have seen a good rise today because yesterday's low was intact. I had said you yesterday that in case the low breaks, there are good chances prices will head up. We had seen a gap up and prices have gone up beautifully today, almost 500 points. I suppose it was a good rise. Now for tomorrow, guys, if you see, price has been testing this S1 zone, right? That is 32,458 to 32,508. Any rise above this, we will have the immediate resistance at 32,600. Once 32,600 breaks, we can expect price to move to R1 zone, that is 32,717 to 32,776. And in case price reverses from this level, we have this trend line still intact. You can see here how many times this trend line was holding these prices. So once this trend breaks, yes, we can expect prices to move to S2, and then 50 moving average may act as a strong support, or else we can see prices move to S3 and back to S4. This is a simple plan what I have for tomorrow, and I'll try to take trades whenever prices are within the zone, right? Nothing more to complicate. And in case price breaks R1, then we have target of 32,861 and 33,000 on the upside. I have updated all this in the description box. You can go and check it out, all the zones and targets, all the zones as support and resistance level. I'm sorry, support and resistance level and zones have been updated in the description box. You can go and check it out. And for Nifty, plan is again very simple. You can see here it has been testing a very important support line, that is 14,562. In case price breaks the high, today's high, let mark today's high, that's also going to be very important. Price breach above today's high, price will enter R1 very easily. R1 is somewhere around 615 to 626, and above that we have R2 levels. Right? And on the downside, in case price reverses from this level, this very important level, as I said to you, 14,562, we can see prices hit S1, and below S1 we can expect prices move to 14,462. This is the next support line what we have, and below that we can see prices enter S2 zone. Right? This is a simple plan what I'm going to maintain for tomorrow. Nothing much to complicate, but the way the prices have moved up, it can be a gap up tomorrow as well, and in case it sustains above R1, only then I'll take a trade for R2. And guys, remember, whenever you're trading in Nifty or Bank Nifty, don't take bigger risk. If you're a day trader in Nifty, 20-25 points risk is very well, it's enough to take a trade with 20-25 points risk. And in Bank Nifty, 50 or 100 points depending on your risk appetite, you can go ahead with that. And once you're in profit, start trailing your profits so that you don't lose the potential profit. This is a simple plan what I have for tomorrow. I'll be probably using the same plan. And in case you are new to the video, please like the video if you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get regular updates. Let's see tomorrow evening how market has reacted. Thanks all for watching this video. I'll see you again tomorrow.